welcome back to my channel. So today's video is on how to save your coins, how to do your own at-home manicure. And you guys, let me tell you the truth, one of the main reasons why I started doing my own manicure is because it's always too expensive, you guys. Like $65 every 2 weeks, and even when you get your full sets for $65 every 2 weeks, I have to go back for refills, and just to refill my nails is $35. And apart from that, I always have to wait. Like sometimes I get to the nail place and I might be the fourth person or the fifth person, or sometimes they will tell me, oh, you have to go back and you have to go and come back, like the line is too much. So I was like, this is too much. So of course I had to go to Amazon and I picked up some things which I've been loving. For the past 3 months I've been doing my own gel manicure and it comes out really amazing. So I'm so excited to share this video with you guys, because like anything that will make you save some coins, you guys know, I got you, like I got you. So yeah, you guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up and also hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Where? Here, I think down. Yes, just hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and let's go ahead and get started. All right. I guess we're going to start by drumming first. I don't know why I'm drumming, but if you want to fix any type of nail, you want to first of all buff your nails to get rid of any lotion, oil, or dirt. And this helps create a very nice surface for the fake nails to adhere. I'm just running the buffer gently all over my nails. This sachet you guys are looking at here comes with 500 pieces of already cut and shaped nails, and I purchased them off of Amazon. Everything will be linked in my description box. All you have to do is just size the fake nails on your own natural nail to choose ones that fit perfectly. The best thing is that it comes with numbers, so it makes it easy for you to remember your nail size for future use. For some reason the white background is washing away the color, but I'm going to change it in a few minutes. This right here is my all-time favorite adhesive for fixing my nails, and it's the Kiss Maximum Speed Nail Glue. It makes my nails last for more than a month, even when I'm not being careful with them. Like, this is the best glue out there. And I'm just going to begin applying the nails on my fingernails once I've applied the glue on each one. This glue can be reused over and over again, so it makes me even love it the more. Like, it lasts for a while. So I love to apply the glue on the nail, wait for a second or two, and then place it on my fingernails. While it's there, I give it a nice press to make sure everything sticks, and then move on to the next one. One of the main reasons I love these nails is because it's already made. Like, it's perfectly cut and shaped, so you don't need to do anything else. As you all can see, my nails are already popping, and all I need to do right now is to gently file the tip of the nail, because it comes with kind of a rough tip. You file it for a second or two, and that's it. I'm quickly going to do the same thing on the right fingers, and I was so very surprised at how cheap they sell the products nail salons use in making our nails. The things I bought can serve me for a year and few months, and I barely spent up to $50. So using $50 to buy something that can serve you for over a year, as opposed to paying $65 every month or $35 every 2 weeks, girl, the price is ridiculous. Like, it's way too expensive. Finally, I had to change the background because it was washing away my footage, and the next thing I have to do is to go ahead and apply a base coat, and this just helps give you a nice surface before the nail polish. It also helps the polish glide on flawlessly without any brush strokes or uneven application. And my favorite nail polish brand is Daisy D&D, the best nail product in the market, hands down. Like, you guys, trust me on this. Whenever I use their product, it lasts for up to 21 days, no doubt. No peeling, no chipping, just the best.
I'm not sure if I told you guys, but the nail tutorial I'm doing today is a gel manicure. I'm so used to gel, and to dry the base coat, I'm using this UV light machine I also bought from Amazon. This literally dries everything in less than a minute. Next, I'll apply nail polish, although I was confused on which of the polishes to use. Another reason I love the D&D brand is that they give you two polishes in one package. So I have a gel nail polish and a regular nail polish for less than $10 on Amazon. Best deal ever. I'm simply going to apply my first coat. Usually the first coat of nail polish doesn't give a high pigmentation or an even application, but this brand is amazing. I can stop here if I want, but I think I'm gonna dry and then apply my second coat. One thing I would say if you want to achieve a salon-like application is not to fill up the brush bristles. I personally like to pick up the product and then swipe the back of the brush on the bottle to remove any excess. I love to barely have anything left on the brush and then spend time distributing the one I have all over the nail. I'm gonna go ahead and dry the first coat for about a minute or two, and when it comes to gel manicure, you only need a minute or two for the polish to dry, unlike regular nail polishes that take as from 20 to 30 minutes. This one is just fast and you're out the door. I'm just going over the first coat with a second one and then also dry for about a minute or two. So just as we applied the base coat when we first started, I will also apply a top coat to seal everything. This also gives a very nice shine to the nails. It kind of helps with the longevity and even fix any uneven or patchy areas on the nails. Again, I would go on and dry for about a minute or two and then use rubbing alcohol to wipe the nails to ensure everything is dried. And that is all there is to this video, my loves. As you all can see, this is something you can do at the comfort of your home without paying anyone. Yeah guys, I hope you all enjoyed, and please let me know if you would like to see a video with the regular nail polish and I will get that out for you guys. Yeah guys, and till my next video, I will see you all very soon. Bye.